I first started this, 25 years ago, I didn't have any experience doing this. And I remember going off to do it as a newbie and having the courage to just do it. I remember what that's like, which is good because we have some empathy and compassion for the people. But the thing that Frank Acoin taught us way back in the day really helped me. So this is how he did all of his sit downs, and I used it, and it really helped me. So when I sat down, we had a flip chart, but now it'll be the presentation mat or whatever we're using. And this is what he said. He started out by saying, there's only 3 things that anyone is ever thinking after I show them this information. They're thinking, 1, do they like it? 2, could they use it? And 3, can they afford it? So that's how he starts. And then when you're at the end, you say, well, there was only 3 things that I mentioned. Do they like it? Could they use it? Could they afford it? So did you like it? And usually I'll say, well, I know you liked it, or I know you could use it. Did you like it? Yes. I know you could use it because during the talk, we talked about the different ways. I bring those up, the way you didn't have a will, whatever. So I know you can use it. And can you afford it? And there was something about saying, can you afford it, that really helped me as a new person, because half the time people just don't want to say that they don't have $29. But when you ask, can you afford it, you kind of get the money thing out of the way. And then we could work on ways they could change things around so they could afford it. So that was really helpful. So I started by saying, there's only 3 things people thinking. Could they use it? Do they like it? Could they use it? And could they afford it? So I wasn't talking to them. I was putting it into a they. And at the end, I would say, well, the 3 things that anyone has ever said is, do they like it? Could they use it? They could afford it. So do you like it? Could you use it? Let's talk about how you could use it. And can you, and get the money question out of the way. And then you just move right into, where do you want to sign? That's